Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to use OBS Studio to record your videos on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to record your videos on your OBS Studio, you'll be first required to download and install it. After installing it after opening it, you'll be seeing this kind of interface. And when on the left side, you can see the scenes, the sources and the audio mixer over here, the scene transitions and the control, and what you'll be seeing on the video over here on the composition tab or the composition box. And after that, to start to directly record a video, first add a scene over here by clicking on the empty space on the scene tab over here, and you can see the add button up here. Click on add and you'll be able to add a scene from over here, but I have already added a scene on which I am capturing this video right now. And after adding a scene, you'll be required to choose your media source from which you are recording your video on your computer. To do that, right click on the empty space on the sources, and you can see there is the add button. Hover over it and you can see you can add all these media sources to your OBS Studio. For example, you can capture a game from over here. Let's click on OK and let's choose a specific window and let's go to the game, and you can see currently the game is started. Click on OK. Let's record the game on a small tab on the top of the screen. And after that, you'll be required to add some of your audio input capture or your output capture. Which of these do you want? You can record your videos from browser, display capture, game capture, images, slideshow, media source, VLC player, text, DDI scenes. From here you can drag and drop scenes over here, and you can window capture any window we have. You can see I have currently my folder up here, which is the window capture, and you can see the window capture appearing again on the screen. Let's close this, let's cancel this, and the window has been disabled. Window capture has been disabled. And after adding your audio sources and your video sources over here like this, I have added 3 sources over here for demonstration purpose. Choose your scene transition. If you want to mix your audio over here, for which you want to be low or which you want to be high of your audios, choose your audio mixing carefully over here. And after that, you can choose your scene transition, either the fade or the cut, or you can choose swipes, slides, tinge of fade to color luma over here. You can see, and you can delete the preset from over here, which is the delete icon. And after that, after choosing all these formats, you can click on start recording, the button which will be available over here to start your recording on your computer. And if you want to optimize your video to the OBS Studio, click on settings, and you will be able to go to the output over here on the left side of the panel where there is the recording tab, and you can see all these preferences I have chosen for the video from the OBS Studio. And if you are not able to see this, you will be required to change the simple mode to advanced. I'll not be able to change it because I'm recording currently, so let's close this. And this is how you use your OBS Studio for recording. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.